Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Nissan Rogue or Xtrail. So it's another amazing diecast by Paudi Models, and if you want to buy this I'll provide the link in the description of the video so you can buy this. So the model is really well detailed and have lots of features. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and a small giveaway is also coming soon. And follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobile for daily updates, and let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.